welcome
Welcome
back
back
to
to
our
our
channel.
channel. So today guys we are here with the most requested video and the video you all have been waiting for from a long time, the Q&A video. So guys we'll try
So
to
here we have
answer.
this Q&A video. So we're gonna ask our questions answers.
Yes. So guys, and we are going to try to answer all of your questions, and if by mistake we skip any of your questions, so comment down below, we will try to answer them in our next video. So guys, let us begin from Vroom Vroom.
And guys,
First, guys, we wanted to tell you that there's a little surprise for you at the end of the video. Okay,
yes guys.
so let us begin. So, first, Vroom Vroom has asked us, who is your favorite YouTuber? So, there's a long list of YouTubers. So, let me tell you my favorite ones: Ramora Vlogs, Nilanjana Dhar, Crazy XYZ, and Triggered Insan, Wanderers Hub, Fukra Insan, Anais San, and Shruti Arjun Anand, Anantya Anand, Zorro, Scoop, Funny Pig,
And
Zach
Aisha.
King. There are many, many, many. So I have many favorite YouTubers, and if I am gonna give you the list, so it will take ages, right? And Ashi, who are your favorite YouTubers?
Same as you have said.
We are actually very similar because we are sister.
Sisters.
Right. So next is, who is your best friend? So first let us tell you, we are not telling you our real names. So how can we
Yes.
tell you our best friends' names, guys? So sorry for that. Why did you start this channel? Okay, so there's a small reason behind it. Actually, we started it as a hobby. Means we watched YouTube since we were 6 years old almost, and
Yes.
we love watching videos. We even when we didn't had our mobile phones, we pretended to make videos as children, I mean. So yes, it became a hobby, and now we have finally opened our channel. So that's why we opened this channel. And Vroom Vroom, thanks a lot, dear, for asking us these questions and supporting us. Love you, dear. Next, okay, by Riya Mundari. So this is actually not a question. There's actually a request by her. She has said, please make your content routine. But we cannot make it. Ashi, please explain it why.
Because we cannot reveal our face. So that's why.
So how can we just make our content routine? But Ria, we will surely try to make our content routine once we reach 1k subscribers. So if you make us reach 1k subscribers, we are gonna reveal our face. Okay. Thanks a lot, dear, for supporting us. Now next we have Birendra Kumar Yadav. He has asked, what is your name? So sorry, real names cannot be exposed. So my fake name is what was it? Yes, it is Vaishnavi. Sorry, I
Yes.
actually forgot it because these are not my and Ashi's real names, so we often forget them. And
And my fake name is Ashi.
yes,
As
these are
Vaishnavi has said.
yes, these are not our real names. What is your age? Okay. So I am 11 years and 8 months almost. I am not sure. Okay, you can say I am 11 years old. And Ashi, she is also 11 years old. Right.
Yeah, I am also 11-year-old.
Next is which class? Okay, so I study in class 7th and Ashi studies in class
Six.
6th. So actually I study in class 7th and she studies in class 6th. The real reason behind it is actually I am one class further. I had skipped nursery, so since there I am means further one class, right? What do we call it? Actually, I'm unable to just get it. So means you must understand that I am always studying one class after. Like suppose I must be in 6th now, but I'm in 7th. So you must understand. Next
Yeah.
question is, when is your birthday? Okay. So my birthday comes on 6th of January. And Ashi, your birthday comes on?
My birthday comes on 28th of May.
Yes. Favorite animals. Okay, so I love puppies and kittens a lot, but I don't have any pets because mom doesn't allow. And Ashi, yours?
Yeah. Yeah, same as puppies and kittens, but our parents not allowed to be have them.
Yes. That's the problem. Favorite place.
And guys, one more thing. Most of the things about us are same.
Same, because we are really very close We are actually
Yes,
means very
so
good friends, very good sisters, right? Okay, favorite place. So let me tell you personally, I have traveled many places till now. Means not out of India. In India, I have traveled many places. So the best one I think were Mandu and Pachmadi in Madhya Pradesh in India. Okay, so actually Mandu and Pachmadi they both have the fragrance of nature. Means let me tell you, in Mandu, wherever hotel or cottage you are gonna stay,
yes,
and you are gonna see nature around you everywhere. Means like when we went to Mandu, we stayed in a cottage, and as soon as we wake up in the morning and just came out of the cottage, you will see a garden. There was a fence, and on the other side of the fence there was a small garden and a lake. It was like very beautiful, and you can even see the hills. And the same was
yes,
in
yes.
Pachmadi. It's really very
It's
beautiful.
the same as for me also because
We have also traveled to Mandu and Pachmani, but
even
not at the same
we
time.
both love nature. We both love
Yes.
nature.
We both have traveled to Mandu and Pachmani, but not at the same time. I went with my
Yes.
friends and once with my family, and she went with her family at different times. Okay, next. Who shoots your videos? Okay, so we shoot our videos because there's no one who is gonna shoot. And another trick, we shoot our downphased videos without tripods.
Because we didn't have any type of tripod. So
And
if
we
you
are
want
using
the
some.
video about how we shoot our videos,
Yes, because
so
we use
please
some
comment
type
down
of.
below.
I think one of us must speak because there is what do we call it? No one is clear. So comment down below if you want to know that how we shoot our videos without tripod. We are using some kind of jugaad.
And guys, if you want that we're gonna do any
And
type of video,
Ashi, secret
yes,
at the last, right?
but not that. And I'm just not saying that. Anything else,
Oh,
another thing.
actually, I was
I'm
about to
saying
say
that
your real
guys,
name.
if you want to see video related to school and and anything, please comment down below like what type of video, what type of content you need into our channel.
Yes, that's important. Next is, what are your goals about YouTube channel? So we actually every single subscriber is a milestone for us, and all we need is your support, and we don't want anything, but it's better if
Yeah,
you subscribe. So we don't need anything except your support. And next is, what
yeah.
all things in your channel. So actually this is something that you that we want to tell you at the last, so just keep here if you want to know what we want to tell you. So
Do the
thanks.
video till the end.
And actually, I forgot to say, Birendra Kumar Yadav has actually commented us that in the time of Q&A, take my name as Manya. So this is Manya who has asked us all these questions. Thanks, dear Manya. Thanks a lot for supporting us. Love you. Next is by Trishita's Beautiful World. So
Oh,
she has said nice
beautiful name
video.
of the channel.
Yes, such a nice name, right? Trishita, that's a good name. Next is nice video, she has said. Thanks, dear. Thanks a lot. She has asked, are you a girl? Yes, I'm a
Yes,
girl.
we both
We both are
are
girls.
girls.
Your age we have just told. I am 11 and Ashi is also
11.
11. Your class. I am in class 7th and Ashi is in class.
6.
Actually, I like this tone of saying whenever class comes, right? It feels so cool, right? Your
Yes.
inspiration. Your inspiration. So, this is actually like we said you previously that we used to watch YouTube as kids. So, every single YouTuber whom we saw and who had achieved a lot of fame using their hard work, they all are our inspiration. Like, we also want to become like them one day, but this will only happen if you all support us, guys.
Yes.
Next is your favorite actor and actress. Okay,
So
so
I told you, our both favorite actor is Akshay
Akshay
Kumar
Kumar
and
and
actress
actress
is
Madhuri Dixit.
Madhuri Dixit. We
With
both love these two.
actors, right? Very much favorite YouTuber. Just now we have told there is a huge line, so it will take ages to tell all our favorite YouTubers. So we
Yes.
had
We
just
watch
previously
a
said
lot
it.
of in our playlist. We have subscribed about 200 of channels.
Means including me and her, right? Means we have different devices, so including her and me we have many subscribers, I mean,
Yeah.
means many subscriptions, right? And favorite YouTuber, let me repeat once again, favorite YouTubers a bit of, right? Crazy XYZ, Nilanjana Dhar, Remora Vlogs, um I actually forget the names. There are so much. Zoro, Scoop, Funny
So
Pig,
you can
Wanderers Hub,
listen
Fukra
back
Insan,
in
Triggered Insan, and many, many, many more.
look if we forget some names, you can listen that name
Yes.
like before
Actually, I have still not said around.
the previous questions.
Actually, I have not even said around 10 names in my favorite YouTubers because I just forget everything. So just leave that. And thanks to Trishita for supporting us a lot, dear. Love you. Next, we have it's by HLS Vlogs. Okay. She has asked us, how do you show that you support and genuine to small vloggers? So actually we also are small YouTubers, and there are more small YouTubers and vloggers than the larger ones. So, what happens if me or Ashi, we both are scrolling through YouTube and we find someone's channel who has like less subscribers, or actually, subscribers don't matter, your content matters. We just go, we
Yes,
see their content, we see almost 4 to 5 videos, and if we like the content, we do subscribe because support is the thing that is needed to all YouTubers. And yes, means fame doesn't matter, the thing that matters is support, even if you are a small YouTuber or a larger one. So whenever we see some small YouTubers or vloggers who are trying a lot, working hard, we just subscribe them. This is how we show that we support them. As we said that for small YouTubers and vloggers, even achieving 1 subscriber is a big deal, a milestone. So that's how we support them. Thank you, dear, for supporting us. Let's move on to the next question. Hey Ashi, are you there?
yes, I am.
Actually, guys, I have joined her on call because we cannot make this video together because we live in different cities, so it's a bit like confusing. So I have joined her on call. Next question is by Besties Forever. Age 11, both of us. Class. I'm in class 7th and Ashi's in class
Great.
school. Guys, we aren't telling you our name, so how can we tell you the name of our
Cool.
school? And city, I live in Kanpur and Ashi lives in
Chinwala.
Chinwada. Means Kanpur in UP and Chinwada is in Madhya Pradesh. Next, let's thanks Besties Forever for supporting us. Love you guys. Next is by Sanskriti Jha. So she had commented us that during the time of Q&A, take my name as Ria. So Ria has asked us, what's your age? So we both are 11. Have you watched Just Add Magic? Have you watched it, Anisha? What's it actually?
Yes, we have seen it. These are the series.
Okay, means they are type of like web series, right?
Yes,
Okay, so I'll definitely try watching them once. Thanks for the suggestion. When will you reveal the face? So we had told you just make us reach 1K subscribers, and we are just happily, means not because of the promise, due to happiness and madness, we are just gonna reveal our face.
yes,
Yeah. You love Avengers. Actually, we both are not that interested in Avengers, right, Ashi?
yes.
Actually, I have only seen two of the Avenger movies. One is Spider-Man Far From Home. By the way, is Spider-Man an Avenger? I actually don't know. And Thor. I have also seen the Thor movie. Yes, that is also nice. Okay. So I have only seen these two, and I don't know anything about others. And Ashi, you?
I also don't know about others.
Okay, so next is which superhero you love most? Okay, so superheroes, like I have said, we have seen only two movies I have seen, and but I know at least name of 5 6 Avengers. So out of them, the Avengers that I like is Thor, Hulk, Spider Man, and Captain America.
Yeah, same out.
Same, yes. Your name? Sorry, no name. Are you a girl or boy? I'm a
Yes,
girl,
we
she is
are
also a
girls.
girl. Your favorite actor and actress. So we have just told you my favorite actor is Akshay Kumar, and her favorite actor and favorite actor is Akshay Kumar, and favorite actress is Madhuri Dixit.
Yeah, we both have
Okay,
same
yes.
choices
Please
in
answer
that.
these questions. We have answered these questions. So now let us move on to the next question. Thanks a lot for supporting us. Now let's move on to the next question. Next we are asked by Anjulata. She has asked us your age. So I am also 11. She is also 11. Your class. Okay. I am in class 7th and Ashi is in class.
Really?
Your inspiration. We have just told you we are inspired by all the YouTubers who do hard work and have achieved fame. Next is your favorite actor and actress. We have just told you Akshay Kumar and Madhuri.
Dixit.
Next is your favorite YouTuber. It will again take ages for us to tell these. Sorry, so you must have seen it. And thanks Anju for supporting us. Love you, dear. Next, we are asked by Akshara Roy. Again, the same questions. They are like, what's your age, class, city you live, and school. So our age is
11.
class. I study in class 7th and then Ashi studies in class.
Same.
City you live. I live in Kanpur and Ashi lives in
Environment.
school. Sorry, school names cannot be exposed. So, guys, this is all for today. And the little surprise we wanted to tell you that we have planned to make our channel a multi-purpose channel. Like till now, we have only posted craft and art videos. But from now on, we are going to post all kind of videos like music, gaming, fun facts, riddles. So, guys, if you want us to make these videos, do comment down below which one you want us to make first. And if you choose gaming, tell us which game we should play. Actually, are you there?
Yes.
Actually, I can't. Means you are not saying anything. That's why I think that you have gone. And guys, actually, you all have supported us a lot. So we are just gonna give a small shout out to all our supporters. This is just a
Yes.
small shout out for all of our supporters, guys. So these are all our supporters. So let's give them a shout out together. Sanchit Pandey, Akshata's Wonderline, Panda Boy 508, Riya Mundari, Sanskriti Jha means Riya, she has commented from her ID, Anjulata, Manya from the ID of Birendra Kumar Yadav, Trishita's Beautiful World, Vroom Vroom, Dimpy Verma, 8 Liz Vlogs, Akshara Roy, Anjali Dubey, the Tanishka Sajjan, Saurabh Tiwari, Tabaluski, Huma Mehendi Design, Leena Mishra, Creative Show with A&R, Sisters Crew, Besties Forever, Nilima Maheshwari Rathi, Sonu Rajput, and Neha Dubey. So, as if we have missed your name, just comment down below. We are just surely gonna give you the shout out in the next video. And guys, do subscribe our channel if you like the video and share this video. And guys, that's all for today. And guys, don't forget to comment down below if you want the next video of on which topic. And guys, there's
So
also
guys,
an
I
important note
thought
for
you
you.
love this video.
Guys, there is actually an important note for you. And guys, that is we actually are unable to edit this video properly because we have made it in a hurry and also my exams are approaching. So guys, I think that we won't be able to post any videos till 17th of October.
Yes, guys.
Guys,
Is
means
it
that's a
possible within
lot.
a call?
That's actually a lot. That's more than 2 weeks. Actually, they are 3 weeks, and guys, actually, we are really, really sorry that we won't be able to. Guys, please cooperate because I have exams
So yeah, guys, that's all for today.
today.
Hope you love this video.
Bye bye, guys, and we'll see you after our exams. See you soon.
Bye, guys.